today I'm reviewing the NIOD Superoxide Dismutase Saccharide Mist. And really quick, I just want to say, purchase these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time sponsoring your videos. So if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com, check my Patreon community, or click on the links below. Actually, I didn't buy this with my own money because Patreon, Kim sent this to me. So anyway, I'm loving it. Can you tell? It's a big bottle too. So anyway, okay, so they call us a daily mist targeting environmental stressors and transepidermal water loss. Nice thing is, you can use this anywhere. You can use it on your face, you can use it on your hair, you can use it on your body, anywhere that you're concerned and want to prevent environmental stressors too. So, okay, my first criteria is packaging. I'm not totally crazy about the clear bottle. So if you can, keep it out of the light. But the mist is really fine mist. Really does a nice job spraying. I mean, you can pretty much spray your entire face with one, maybe two spritzes, most. And you got your whole face because it's such a nice fine mist and it covers everything so nicely. In terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, it does not contain any of those. It's also fragrance-free and has no real noticeable scent to it. The manufacturing location for this one is Canada, so no issues with that. I don't know if you can pick this up on the camera, but it's got a really nice fine mist. Actually, so ease of use. So this is actually one of the few mists I will use over makeup. Most of them I don't. I use underneath them, or I use in between routines or between me getting out of the shower and my routine. This is probably one of the few that really does make sense to use over makeup or wherever. So you can apply it to your face, neck, body after cleansing, before other treatments, morning, evening. You can certainly use it anytime you want to use it. If your skin's feeling dry or you're going to be out in the elements or something like that, you can use it. They recommend not using under broken skin. Patch tested as well, just in terms of the antioxidants. They can be a little bit strong. So very nice fine mist. Works well under makeup, over makeup. Absorbs nicely, doesn't ruin makeup or make your skin look greasy at all. So very easy to use, and I love the fact that you can use this over makeup without any issues. A lot of mists are just so not fine, they end up ruining it, and this one does not do that. Okay, so let's get to the most exciting, well, for me anyway, the ingredients and antioxidants. So we've got superoxide dismutase. It's an antioxidant enzyme, protects skin cells from highly reactive cell-damaging superoxide radicals. Superoxide radical is a free radical that can cause cell damage, and superoxide dismutase is an enzyme that catalyzes the conversion of it into molecular oxygen to hydrogen peroxide so it doesn't damage your skin. We've got malachite extract. It's actually an antioxidant that's obtained by grinding the malachite stones. You see it once in a while in products. I think that's probably why this has this light blue color. We've got Pseudoalteromonas Exopolysaccharides, which is humectant, marine alternative to hyaluronic acid. We've got Mirabilis Jalapa extract, which is a skin protecting ingredient. We've got Polypodium Rhizome extract, antioxidant, hydrating wintergreen fern, which according to the manufacturer helps repair skin after superficial wounds and stimulates carinosinite, which is a skin cell that can delay oxidative stress and enzyme-related damage. It also works well with Iceland moss to support film forming and hydrating activity. And the next ingredient, Iceland moss extract. It's actually an edible ingredient that's used in Arctic regions to cure cold, cough, and sore throat. It's also a so-called demulcent, an agent that forms a soothing and moisturizing film and reduces dryness and irritation that cause a cough. So, my Iceland friends, have you tried this? And does it work for coughs and colds? I'm curious. Next up, we've got peat moss extract, a skin conditioning and hydrating ingredient. We've got arginine, skin identical ingredient. So, really nice list of skin protecting ingredients in there, and humectants and antioxidants. So, everything in here is built around protecting your skin from environmental stresses and damage. So if you're going to be around like a smoky bar or something, this is a great one to apply before you go in there. Is there such thing as a smoky bar anywhere anymore?
Not anymore. Not around here.
Well, maybe in other countries. I don't know. Anyway, so I remember when I was young, bars were smoky. I wish I would have had this then. But anyway, too late now. Okay, in terms of animal testing, this is cruelty-free, vegan, gluten-free, and nut-free. So, like, free of, like, everything, I think. In terms of performance, it really does a nice job hydrating skin. I can't really speak directly to the skin protecting claims because I guess I don't really know what my skin would have looked like had I not used it all this time. If I had been doing like half my face, I probably would have had a better test, but I don't really know what I would have looked like if I wouldn't have done it. So, also this summer I started using it on certain areas of exposed skin to protect it and give it some extra moisture. I trust this. I believe it does protect your skin. I'll definitely repurchase it as a protective, preventative product. And then nice thing, no ingredients of note for acne-prone skin. In terms of the price, so initially it's $50. It's although if you check it out on Beauty Bay, I'll link to it below. It's like $41, and that's with the tax included. So anyway, sounds expensive. Although I will say with daily use, if you use it morning and evening, twice a day, 2 mists each, so about 4 mists a day, this bottle will last you about 7 months or so. So it's 8 ounces, 240 milliliters. So it's really not that expensive when a bottle lasts you half a year longer. Then in terms of the it factor, really nice product all the way around. Friendly for almost all skin types. Very versatile. You can use it anywhere. You can use it everywhere. You can use it anytime, day, night, whenever. Over, under makeup. I really, in my opinion, recommend most people check this one out at some point. Especially those that live in like high pollution areas or work in smoky bars if there's a such thing as that anymore. Or maybe like factories where there's lots of stuff going on. Anyway. I recommend most people check it out because it's just a really wonderful product. So, anyway, with a 10 being a perfect score, I gave this one a 10. Love it. Worth checking out. Highly recommend you guys do some research on it. Check out the link below. And I will see you guys more tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.